Hey and welcome, I'm Solo and this is ZN Gaming. In this video, I'll be going over how to find and get your Minecraft skin, so if you've misplaced the original or just want to make some edits to your Minecraft skin, I'll be going over how to find that. And before I waste any more time, let's just jump into it. First, to save and edit the Minecraft skin, we're going to need to jump over to the Minecraft website because the launcher doesn't have the ability to save the skin the same way. So what we're going to do is go over to minecraft.net. Once we're here, we're just going to go over to account and click sign in. Once you're logged in, it will load into the My Games page, and over here on the right where it shows the Minecraft Java, you're going to be able to click on the change skins. So just give that a click. This is going to show a few different options. This is where you're going to be able to select your model, whether it's classic, slim, upload your custom skins, or if you just scroll down just a little bit, it'll say current skin. Now make sure you do not click the reset skin button. And all you're going to need to do to save it from here is right click on your image somewhere on your Minecraft skin. I'm just going to click right on the face and save image as. Now make sure to name it and save it somewhere where you're going to be able to remember it for later on, just in case that you need it. And this is how you're going to be able to edit it. So now that it's downloaded, you'll be able to open it in any software at all that you can do editing on. So Microsoft Paint, you can open it and click some dots on or change your skin of any kind from there. This will also let you upload new skins. So if you create a new skin, before you upload your skin, you can download your skin and keep it so that you always have it. And then you can upload a new skin and give it a try. So this is just one way so that you can make sure that you back up your skin and never lose it. Another way to upload your skin is actually over in the launcher. So now we're going to jump over into the launcher. Once we're in here, we can just click on the Minecraft Java, go over here to skins, and we'll be able to add new skin. So in here, you'll be able to go through and select the one you just downloaded. So you can browse the files, go to your downloads, select your Minecraft skin and upload it. So that's just another way that if you want to upload or change your skins, this is just another way that you can do it. You can actually upload them into the launcher, but you can't download your old ones in the launcher. Another way to save it also is just click this here, add to library. So your current skin that you're currently running, if you don't see it over here in your library, you can click add to library. Now this is going to save it for later. This is going to be something you'll be able to access later on, but I always still like to go to the website and download my skin so that I can edit it. That's still the only way that I know that you can edit it. So as far as I know, you can't edit your Minecraft skin within the launcher at all. Now, if you're testing skins and you want to try out a couple, you'll be able to change it back anytime that you want to your original skin. This just helps if you want to try out a couple new ones or make changes. And if anything happens, this will make it super easy for you to get the old one. Like I said, I like to download and save it to my computer, stick it in a folder somewhere. If you ever happen to lose it anywhere at all, it's just a single PNG file that you can upload onto the website and you'll have your Minecraft character skin back just as you left it anyways. That's really as easy as it is. That's it for this one here. I hope this here helped you out. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching.